Welcome to my driveway, my dudes. Today I'm going to show you how to change the front windscreen wipers on a Toyota Corolla Fielder Hybrid. This is a Japanese import. Toyota didn't make the Fielder for the European market, but this is an import, so I'm not entirely sure what wiper blades go on this. So the best way to check is to take a tape measure, measure that. That's 400 mil or 15 3/4 inches. 400 mil, 400 and on this side we have 600 or 23 3/4 inches. So we need 40 centimeters, 400 millimeters, or 60 centimeters, 600 millimeters approximately. We also need to check how this connects on, so how to remove this. Okay, it looks pretty straightforward. I think this comes up, so it's a bit stiff, so you might need a screwdriver. Just be careful not scratching the paint on this, because this part you're not going to want to replace it too often, if at all. Okay, that comes up, and then again, not so bad. Push it down. Once this clip is up, just push it down. This has writing on it. It says R60A. Or 60A, capital R, small a, and you'll see it has different joints. There's a joint here and a joint here. Okay, don't know if this is a focus. This one says R40A. Capital R, capital A. And to replace it, let's have a quick look here. Okay, and to replace it, we just put it on through the gap, and it should slide back on by lifting up and press the clip down. There's only one way to put this on and off, and you can see here it's pretty self-evident. 70. Okay, this replaces this end.